Hi, my name is Maddie Noble, and I'm going to teach you how to make a fortune teller. First, you're going to need a pair of scissors and a piece of paper. Take the outer edge of your paper and fold it over the middle to make a perfect square. And then cut away the excess because we can't make a fortune teller with a rectangle. Once you have your perfect square, unfold it, and then start by folding each of the corners in towards the middle. Make sure that you crease them so that it's easier for you to open up the fortune teller later. Then, once you've done that, flip it over and do the same thing again by folding the corners in towards the middle. After you have an even smaller square, you're going to fold it over once to make a rectangle, and then make another rectangle by folding it the same way. And you have your fortune teller.
I want to thank Maddie Noble for taking the time to do this video.